In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Robux to another account without using a group. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. What you need for this method to work is sign into the account that's going to receive the Robux. If your friend is doing this, just send them this video and tell them to do this. First, go to the Create tab at the Roblox website after signing into the account that's going to be receiving the Robux. Go into the Passes tab after clicking Create and create a pass. As you can see, I've created this one called Test. You can name it whatever you want. Just find a random image and a random name and description. After creating a pass, click the Settings button on the right side of the title and select Configure from the drop-down menu. In here, go to the Sales tab and make sure you tick this box to make the item available for sale. Sadly, as you can see, you are only going to receive 70% of the Robux transferred. This is the only method to transfer Robux to another account without a group, so you need to just get around this and transfer the Robux with this tax. Set the amount of Robux you want to receive by looking at this number on the bottom right corner, and after you are satisfied, save the item for sale and update the price. Now, the account receiving the Robux has to share this pass with the account that's going to be buying it. So click here or go to the creator dashboard at the top of the page and go back to your associated items. In here, you can see all the passes you created, and all you have to do is click on these three dots on the top right corner of the item you're using to receive the Robux and select Copy URL from the drop-down menu. Now, you can share this URL, and the account that's going to be giving the Robux just has to go to this URL and buy this item. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Robux to another account without group. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.